Next, the President and CEO's monthly report.
Thank you. Good evening, Chair and members of the board, and good evening to all the members of the public who have shown tonight. I'd like to begin with some encouraging news to share about update on our services. On the rail side, I'd like to give some update that our train cancellations are down 35% in the first 10 months of this year compared to last year. Cancellations this past month of October were down 41% from October 2018. While we certainly have a way to go, this is certainly very much trending in the right direction. On-time performance increased also nearly 3 percentage points from October 2018 to October 29 to more than 91% on time. On the bus side on our operations, we've graduated, as you know, more than 600 new bus operators since January 2018. Before hiring these new operators, New Jersey Transit was averaging about 40 missed bus trips per day. Today, that number is less than 10 on average on most days, out of more than 10,000 total bus trips provided each day. Also, from April 2019 to December 2019, these new hires have allowed us to add 80 new bus trips to the weekday schedule, 86 new bus trips to the Saturday schedule, and 166 new bus trips to the Sunday schedule. That's an average of more than 90 new trips, additional trips per day. Fewer delays and more service means less crowding and a vastly better experience for our bus customers. As I said, to be clear, we know there's still much work to be done before all our customers feel the improved experience, but we feel this is trending in the right direction, and we are not going to let up until we improve reliability and eliminate preventable disruptions. The numbers are always subject to fluctuation on any given day, much like the stock market, but we do obviously expect fluctuations to diminish as we get closer to a full roster of engineers. The main thing, as I say, is to note that the trend overall continues in the right direction. And to keep those numbers moving in the right direction, 3 classes of locomotive engineers will be graduating over the next 3 months. 1 this month, 1 in December, and 1 in January. Beginning in 2020 and beyond, we'll start to see real net gains in our rank of locomotive engineers. On the technology side, regarding our mobile app, we also remain focused on leveraging the technology to improve our customers' experience. To that end, we've launched a complete redesign and upgrade version of our mobile app. This updated app, released last month for Apple and later coming this month for Android, has all the features our customers have come to rely on with a cleaner, simpler, and more modern interface and design. Nearly 80,000 customers have installed this update so far, and which includes the refreshed home screen, a new look for departure vision in My Bus, and includes performance enhancements that will allow us to take full advantage of the device it's running on, including fingerprint and Face ID. The update was designed and developed entirely in-house, which is much more cost-effective and quicker than approaching through outsourcing. And after more than 1,500 reviews, the app's rating is holding steady at an impressive 4.5 out of 5 stars, with a tremendous amount of positive feedback about the latest updates. On the news front, certainly a number of us were at the North Brunswick train station. Pleased to report along on our capital projects advancing. We were on October 30th. Diane and I were with Governor Murphy announcing MOU between New Jersey Transit and the Middlesex County Improvement Authority, which is on this evening's agenda, to build a new train station in North Brunswick along the Northeast Corridor. The MCIA will serve as a project manager for the station's design and construction. Projects like this are critically important to our system and our region. Unlike national commuter trends, New Jersey Transit is seeing an increase in rail ridership of about 3% year over year. And this station will be on the Northeast Corridor line, one of our busiest in the system. The project also demonstrates New Jersey Transit is open to look at different approaches on capital projects. Overall, New Jersey Transit is investing more than $1 billion in Middlesex County infrastructure alone. In addition to the North Brunswick station, this includes the new Raritan River Bridge, the county yard and Delco lead storage facility, and inspection facility, and a major renovation at our Perth Amboy station. These investments will do far more than improve services for our customers. They will also create jobs and spur economic growth throughout New Jersey. One of the other things that was very exciting in the last few weeks, New Jersey Transit had the Innovation Challenge. We are always looking at innovative ways to engage external partners in the public and private sector to partner on new projects. On November 7th, New Jersey Transit hosted an industry day for our new innovation challenge. Through this challenge, New Jersey Transit is exploring the possibility of a public-private partnership to significantly increase capacity between Secaucus, MetLife Stadium, and American Dream. We hosted breakout sessions and networking opportunities where industry leaders from more than 50 private sector firms and academic institutions engaged with senior New Jersey Transit staff and representatives from other major organizations. In the coming weeks, we'll release a request for expression of interest to receive and evaluate proposals from the best and the brightest in the industry. Once again, I'd like to thank Diane for leading this critically important and visionary initiative. It is clearly the way we have to look at behind the conventional. There's more needs than we are going to be able to meet through our traditional financing, and this was a really exciting and positive response. Speaking of American Dream, I am pleased to report that transit to and from the complex went off without a hitch for the limited opening on October 25th and has been running smoothly ever since. As new amenities open in the coming months, we'll closely monitor service to ensure that it remains commensurate with demand. On a different note, when we talk about security, that comes from practice. And we, as always, remain focused on the safety and security of our system for our customers. And on November 2nd, the New Jersey Transit Police Department joined local, county, state, and federal partners to conduct an emergency response drill at our Glen Rock Main Line train station. Attorney General Gerber Grewal was on hand to observe this large-scale drill, which is about 4 hours long, included more than 150 volunteers. It received wide praise from from all our partners on that effort. Finally, in honor of Veterans Day, I'd like to take a moment to pay tribute to all the members of our armed forces, those who served in the past, those who are serving now, and those who made the ultimate sacrifice defending our freedom. I'd like to ask anyone in attendance today who has honorably served or serves our country to please stand. To all of you standing here today, we all owe you a tremendous debt of gratitude. Thank you for your service. As we reflect on the service of these brave men and women, let's also reconfirm our commitment to do everything we can, in words and deeds, to recognize the contributions and sacrifices of American veterans, including particularly the large number that we are very proud of, who are employees of New Jersey Transit. With that, Chair, that concludes my remarks.